Condor, Squatto Quads, Rasta Racer, and Orange Stuff. So you guys are up next.
What's up, Kelly? Getting ready to start. Captain Mavics over there getting everybody ready. This is the Whoop Tent, Wednesday night, IO 2022.
Right, pilots.
Let's run over here real quick.
1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4 thumbs. All right. Yep. All right. Start on the toe. Pilots, armor quads in less than 5. There you go. Oh, someone went the wrong way. Are you stuck? Send picker up. There you go. Alright, the pilots are on the course. We got the first pilot into the tunnel. Oh, ribbon hits the hexagon gate. Someone goes down in the tunnel, but it looks like one person's going to go through down the dive. And out the bottom. Nice work. Whoever just made it through the tunnel. Oh, doing those two gates the wrong way. Split us that, remember? Now let's go to whoever's on the triple gate. Back, forth, back, and forth through.
What do you think about that?
Almost.
Ribbit FPV 31 flat. Waka Reactor 28.5. With 111.8.
Alright.
Gotta see that tunnel one more time.
32.7.
How's our timing working out?
Ribbit FPV 29.4.
Right.
So this is the Propsoff Props On Challenge, and I would have won mine, but I dropped a prop nut on the ground, couldn't find it in the grass. But had a super good time. Can't wait to see everybody next year.
Okay, let's go.
See you there. Enjoy the breeze.
What do you have to say about this?